In this video, I'll walk you through how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting using a meeting ID and passcode. Click the Join with a Meeting ID button to open the Join a Meeting with an ID dialog. Type your meeting ID into the Meeting ID field, then enter the passcode in the Type a Meeting Passcode field below it. For this example, I'm using 933-18314-42791 and RF9QK9. Click the Join Meeting button, and the Microsoft Teams Meeting Pre-Join Setup screen appears, showing your camera and microphone preview. Click the Join Now button to connect. It becomes disabled while Teams establishes the connection. You'll see a connecting status, then a waiting for others to join message once you're in. The meeting controls bar appears at the top of your screen, and you're now in the meeting lobby waiting for other participants. If you get an invalid passcode error, verify you're entering it exactly as provided. Passcodes are case-sensitive and cannot contain spaces. You can find the meeting ID and passcode in the calendar invite or the meeting link sent by the organizer. They're usually listed right below the meeting title. If you join before the host, you'll wait in the lobby until they admit you or until they start the meeting. Once you're in, you can toggle your camera and microphone using the controls at the top of the screen. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.